I'm Ben with ATS, and we're here to talk about the benefits of organizing your trailer. First benefit will help you save some time. One of the easiest ways to make sure your freight's delivered in a timely manner during multi-stop loads is to make sure it's in the right place. This means it's color-coded and/or number-coded and in the right spot, so when the driver gets to the receiver, it's easy for him to unload and get on to the next location. This improves customer relations by knowing that a shipper, when a driver comes in, that he'll be easily ready, unloaded, and on to the next one. Another important benefit of organizing your trailer properly is safety. This is for shipper, receiver, and driver. This means the product is organized neatly within the trailer, something tall, not stacked to something short, and weight distribution. If you have to stack something short or tall based on what the load is, there's ways around that, such as bracing, securements, ratchet straps, to ensure that the product is delivered to the location properly. An example of improper weight distribution would be a heavy box getting stacked onto a lighter box. If the driver would be driving through traffic and gets randomly cut off, has to make an abrupt stop or a sharp turn, this product could end up leaning off, and when he gets to the receiver, goes to unload it, potentially falling on the receiver, causing harm. The third benefit of organizing your trailer properly will be cost. The first way this will save on cost is drivers sitting on a load or on an unload and having detention or layover fees. This can be caused by product not getting placed in the right spot and having receivers be confused on what product is theirs and what product is supposed to go to the next location. Another cost-saving benefit to organizing your trailer would be to avoid lost freight and/or repeat deliveries. By this I mean a freight gets picked up, delivered to one location, unloaded, and then on the next location they come to find out that that was actually supposed to be there. There can be a multitude of things that this leads to. This could be driver having to go back after his previous stop, and/or sending a whole new truck to get there, costing money to pick the product up and deliver it to the right location. This ensures that shipper, receiver, and driver are all working as a team to ensure that products get to the right location, on time, and safely. It's always best to reach out to your transportation provider with any questions. If you'd like to learn more, head over to our website, atsinc.com, and check out our Learning Hub. Here you'll find a large collection of free educational resources to help you get ready for your next move.